Hola, buenos días. We have un regalo para ti. What is it? Well, if you go to our page LightSpeed Spanish and look in Socio Lessons, these are lessons for members only. And then if you look down, you'll see that we have a tremendous amount of lessons in all kinds of themes. Conditional, definite article, expressions, fun learning, fun Spanish, the future, the gerund. And at the moment, you can't access them. However, if you go to Store and go to Ser Socio Membership Program, so all you do is sign up now and then View Cart, and then here in Apply Coupon, you just write regalo, which is present in Spanish, and apply coupon. And then you'll see that the total for the month is 0. Once you've done that, proceed to checkout and then just fill in your details. When you sign up, you choose to pay with PayPal or just with a credit card. But obviously, you're getting the month for free, so you don't get charged, because we want you to try to see what you think. If it isn't for you, then all you need to do is just cancel before the next month comes up. If you like it, then you can stay. Once you've signed up, you'll go to Ser Socio Lessons, and then you'll see all of the lessons, every one of them, and there are hundreds, all put into different groups so that you can focus on what you want. So just remember, Store, Ser Socio Membership Program, coupon code regalo. Nos vemos allí.